beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Afegbai Lilian and I'm from Nigeria. For those who are just visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, you're welcome. Anyways, please kindly subscribe, like, and drop a comment. If possible, if you want to know anything about me, you can also drop a question and I will definitely answer. Thank you so much. I hope you're having an amazing week, because I am. Anyways, let's get right to it. Today I'm going to be talking about my kind of man. The kind of man I like. The kind of man that tickles my fancy. The kind of man I love to end up with. For those of you who don't know me personally, this is an avenue for you to really know me, see me. I'm going to try to keep it at 100 as much as possible with you all, and, kind of bring you guys into my space a little, yeah, because telling you the kind of man I like, that's like huge for me. Like, oh my gosh, that's so huge. Anyways, let's get right to it. First of all, you have to understand your love languages, okay? So we have different type of love languages. We have word of affirmation, acts of service, physical touch, receiving gifts. So you obviously have to know the kind of person you are, right? And what you really like. So for me, I think I kind of fit into the 5 love languages, sort of, because I like to have a bit of everything. I'm someone who, I like attention, I like gifts, I like things that you would call cliche. Like, I'm a flower type of girl. Like, I love my man to send me flowers. Like, flowers, okay, baby, are you having a bad day? I just sent you flowers today to say, have a great Monday. Yeah, I love flowers. I like cards. Like, how you send flowers and just put like a small card there, writing, oh, you mean the world to me. All those mushy stuff. Okay, I can't believe I'm telling you all this. But yeah, all those mushy stuff, right? And physical touch, to be honest, I'm not one that, I don't even like public show of affection. Like, I'm kind of shy, I feel like all those things can be kept in the bedroom or whatever, wherever we are privately. When we're out, we can just be out and just chill. We can be together, but like, doesn't have to be like together, like holding hands and no, like no. I like a man that just knows what you want. You know how I'm not really one to ask. I think, funny enough, it's recently I started knowing how, like, oh, you should ask. But I pray to keep meeting the people that you don't have to ask, because I don't like to ask. I just like my man to just know, like, what I want, or he's like, oh, I got you this, or do you want to do this? And then it's just in sync with what I really want to do. That's like so nice. Yeah, so nice. I like my man to take me out on dates. I like dinner. I'm a foodie, by the way, so people always say, oh, Lilian, oh my gosh, you eat so much. So if you should see me in a restaurant and you see me on Instagram, I promise you, those are 2 different people. It's not me. Like, it's not me. At restaurants, I'm a different person. On Instagram, I'm like a stay girl. I'm just like, all that, shenanigans. But when I'm at the restaurant, all the hue and everything is gone, because I'm eating everything. I'm having my starters, I'm having my whatnot, I'm diving in. So I love food a lot. So obviously I would like to be with a man that knows how to, like, go to restaurants and try food, so we could do, like, try different foods, go to different restaurants, have date nights, like, dress nice, wear a nice dress, and go out with your man and just have a nice time, catch up on work, things that, you guys probably would not talk about when you're home or intimate, like, just that romantic ambience, like, I like my man to be able to take me out on dates. And I also like a God-fearing man, like a man that, we could fast together, like pray together, do everything together, like go to church, like I call him and say, baby, are you fasting today? Like, should we fast this week? Should we fast? Like, communication. Those are like the things that create that bond. When you say you're in a relationship with someone, if you guys don't share good memories, I feel like it's just not right. And it's not okay to call that a relationship, because a relationship means you guys are genuinely trying to get to know each other and accepting each other for who you are, and accepting your excesses even if we are not perfect, right? And yeah, so if you're in a relationship where you can't do all these things, you can't go out with your man, you can't spend quality time with your man, you can't go to his house or whatever, there's just so many rules, then that's not a relationship, because it's just wrong. Obviously, I like a clean man. I like a man who's very neat, very presentable, calm, you know. I would say I don't like my man so out there. You know how people say sometimes that, oh, this guy is rude, but they just say he's rude because maybe he doesn't talk to everybody. Oh yeah, it's okay for you to say my man is rude. I don't mind. Like, I'm not complaining. I don't want my man commenting on every girl's picture on Instagram, or, you know, liking, smiling everybody. No, I don't want that. I actually want my man to be my man, like exclusive. If we're exclusive, we're exclusive. And I feel like if someone likes you, everything just goes in sync. Definitely, a man that loves you would definitely try to understand your love languages. And you too, as a woman, also try to understand your man's love languages. Let's not leave the work to the man alone. The man should do everything. No, we as ladies too, we also need to put in the work. It's like a two-way string. It's like, you can't just say, oh, the man should do everything, the man should love me. No, some men actually like attention. Some men actually like all these things that women will say, oh, I don't like it, but they like it. So relationship is all about compromise, okay? So you have to compromise, you have to meet each other halfway and know that, okay, you know what, my man likes this, oh, my man doesn't like me to go out too much, and I like to go out. Okay, so what I'll just do is, oh, okay, so let me just try and reduce it. Him too has to understand that, okay, this person likes to do this. Okay, let me understand that she's reducing it. Thank you so much for watching, okay? I love you so much. I really appreciate you all, guys. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for using your data. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I love you. Until next time. Obiora, are you going to cut or no?
So are you single now?
Am I what?
Are you single?
Guys, Obiora is asking me if I'm single. Should I answer? No. Bye.